Alright, I don't know how many requests I've had to show my thought process. You guys remind me of my old algebra teacher yelling, show your work. Well, here we go. You guys bear with me. This is a hot mess and it took just a minute to get it going, but I left it all in there. But don't worry, we're gonna find that golden egg. Let's go get to looking for it. Alright, now that I can clearly see an egg shape, I'm really just going to put in swooshes and dots, maybe some painted lines or shapes, or I really don't know yet. I'm just going to try real hard to keep it as symmetrical as I can, but I'm not going to be too critical. I'm going to have fun. So let's see where it ends up from here. would you look at that? We really just turned a rock, a regular old rock, into a fancy, golden, elegant Easter egg. You guys, it's beautiful. It was literally just a rock a couple of hours ago, and check it out now. Oh, I love that about this art. We just keep on making the world more beautiful and more beautiful with every rock we paint. I am going to leave everything in the description. Please go make one. You've got to try this. It's so much fun. I'm also going to leave a link right here to a tutorial I did some time ago on a decorative egg. I hope you give it a watch, and until next time, rock on!